back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we have the November 2019 Boxy Momma. I love this box. This is one of my absolute favorite subscriptions. The owner and curator of this box absolutely is amazing. Her name is Sarah, and I don't know how she does it, y'all. I seriously don't know how she does it. She has 3 boys, young boys. She started this and makes the most amazing boxes. The themes and the products in these boxes are always, always so amazing. Y'all, I seriously, again, I don't know how she does it. She's like Superwoman. Sarah, thank you so much for sending me another box to review. I do appreciate it very much. So like I said, this is the November 2019 Boxy Momma, and it says, awesome moms deserve awesome stuff. Yeah. And to one amazing mama. So I just love how she just is like, you got it, girl. You got this. We got this together. Let's cry. Let's drink wine. We got it. So, all right. So this is what it looks like when we open it. So there is a card here that says Forever Thankful. It says, forever thankful for you. Thank you for letting me be a part of your life. I'm so thankful that you are a part of mine. All right. Hello, Mama. Happy November to you. I hope your Halloween was filled with little stress and lots of fun and memories. Now on to the next one. This time of year, moms have even more responsibilities on their plates. It's easy to get overwhelmed between all the chaos. Remember to take a breather and take some moments between for yourself. You more than deserve it. Thinking of you, Mama, I am grateful for you. Love, Sarah. So, she's just so uplifting and telling you it's okay. It's like she's this pat on your back that you need sometimes. So, here we do have everything that will go over the items in the box, and she does include pricing, which I really appreciate. So not only do we have a description, but we have pricing. So I do really enjoy that. I will put a link down below to Boxy Momma if you would like to sign up. Now, the theme is Gobble Till You Wobble. Right there. That is so cute. And here on the back, it does tell us the theme for December, and it is, oh snap, the holidays are here. Boxy Momma is here to help get Mama through the holidays. And you can see that. Now, last year, I had the December box last year, and y'all, one of my favorite things that I put out now I was about to say Halloween, for Christmas is one of the things that I got in that December box last year. Loved it. It was a cute little nutcracker, and from, I believe it was the movie Elf, but it said son of a nutcracker. So cute. All right, so we're just gonna start. All right, so the first thing is from, is it Amy Catherine? Yes, Amy Catherine Designs. Grateful as a Mother. Isn't that so pretty? This year, be grateful for everything you have as a mom with this Grateful as a Mother bracelet. These wonderful handmade bracelets are from Amy Catherine Designs. It's hard to remember all that you have in the midst of the madness, but take a few moments to think about everything you have in your life. I am sure grateful for you. This is $16, and I like this. It almost is like a ribbon tie. So there you see. Isn't that cute? That's cute. Grateful as a Mother. All right, so that's one item. And then what are you? Let's see. This says Natural Hand and Surface Spray Cleaner. Lavender scent. That is very interesting. Let's see. Aside from all the holiday season, it is aside from all the holiday season, it is also sick season. As moms, we know kids touch some nasty stuff, so it's good to always have some sanitizer handy. Not just any sanitizer though. This is a natural hand and surface cleaner made with simple ingredients including water, essential oil, and vinegar. These awesome sanitizers are from Yuck Be Gone. Yuck Be Gone, and this is $5. So you can spray this on surfaces. You can spray this on your hands. And everything's clean. So I like that. All right. Then we have, what are you? You're so cute. The original brown sugar disc keeps brown sugar soft. It says directions: soak disc in water for 15 minutes, pat dry, then place disc in your brown sugar. Your disc will keep your brown sugar soft for up to 3 months. When your sugar begins to harden, re-soak and reuse the disc. That's awesome. Sugar saver. We do a lot of baking at my house between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Brown sugar easily tends to dry out quick, so keep it fresh and moist with a sugar saver from Brown Sugar Disc. Simply soak in water for 15 minutes and then place in your brown sugar. Keep your sugar fresh for up to 3 months. Once it starts getting dry, just repeat. And this is $4. That is cute. I like that. And that's a good idea because that's a really good point. So, all right. And then let's see. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is an apron. And it's got like 3 different pockets. I think you have to adjust that, but just to show you. And it says, there's no place like home for the holidays. But it has in this area, there's like 3 little pockets. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Apron. Every mom should have a good apron on hand during the holiday season. Last thing you need is an extra stain on your clothes to worry about. So enjoy an apron from Primitives by Kathy. It even has a pocket. Score! And this is $24.99. Oh my gosh, I think this is just adorable. And I love what it says. And it feels really, really good. The quality of this is definitely there. And I don't have an apron. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. All right. Okay. All right, looks like we have a bonus item. All right, let's see. Let's come. I don't know what this is, but it is cute. Bonus. Microwave cleaner. Mama doesn't like a dirty microwave, so steam clean it with this Angry Mama cleaner. She makes the job easier by steaming it first before you have to wipe it down. Save your energy and muscles for other mom life things. It says fill Mama up with vinegar and water to the appropriate lines marked on her body. Microwave her for no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Caution, she will be hot when finished steaming. Remove her microwave by her arms only. Wait until cool to remove her head to drain. Please be careful, Mama. I care about you. Don't burn yourself. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so it looks like you can see here. Well, I don't know how well you're going to see, but that's where the vinegar and then water to here. So then, oh, I put her head on upside down. Y'all, this is so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh. All right, so I love this box. We got that gorgeous apron, this Angry Mama cleaner, microwave cleaner, this gorgeous bracelet right here, Grateful as a Mother, the hand and surface sanitizer, and the brown sugar saver. I think all of these are so appropriate for November and just amazing. I love this box so much. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for Boxy Momma. I highly recommend it. It's the thing about this box I love. Like I said, not only does Sarah come up with the cutest themes and find products that are not only useful, but that put a smile on your face. This is obviously a useful product, but it puts a smile on your face. You know, the apron is a very useful product, but it puts a smile on your face and warms your heart because of the message. So that's what I love about this box, is that the products are all so useful in your everyday mom life. Like, and she's a mom, so she gets it. And it just, I love it. I've never opened this box without a huge smile on my face. So, like I said, the link will be down below. We also have a couple active giveaways, so check those out. They will be linked below as well. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.